Today we started. Everyone is super excited to go to Araku.
Oh guys, now our dosa is perfectly roasted. Now she with that tawa, she's like
brown.
yeah. This is really good. Yeah.
Guys, she looks like our Dhanadamai.
I think everyone know in South
Yeah.
India. Yeah, this is the fighting cock. Okay, that is very costly, guys.
Guys, they're really friendly.
I just thought that sound.
Guys, we stopped on the way to have breakfast and we saw a mini workshop here.
It's like a ascending order.
Yeah, they've arranged the tires like this. Bro.
So cool.
And also they have a metal, swing here.
Can we use it? Will it balance me?
Yeah, it's a little bit slanted though. If you fall from here, I am like, this is your second fall of the day.
No. I don't know how to.
Guys, so good. There is a small hut here. I think this is where they chill.
Under the tree.
Yes, guys, it's a kitchen and small, setup is there.
Not going to spoil.
They have written their number over there if you guys need any repair, if your car breaks down or tire pops up. So
You can
just
use these tires for sitting also.
yes, you can make a swing out of it.
Yeah.
You okay? We parked our car there.
Tea and breakfast. Nice breakfast is
Really?
there. Dosha, bonda and all those things.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let's check what do they have. I'm already getting that smell. Nice bonda.
Okay guys, we have fresh bondas.
Guys, look at this good round bondas. Oh my god, so nice. Yeah, with that we can have this
that's
chili.
already-
Yeah, and this coconut chutney also is there. There is this red chili on top, put everywhere. Wow. And this is for dosa, guys. This is for dosa. Yeah, coconut chutney. It's like same Kerala style breakfast, right? Like,
Just chilies also. They have stoke.
wow, guys, there's two cute kids here helping their mom and making breakfast and packing. And guys, this is their kitchen and they're having this wood, like firewood stove here, outdoor style. Like the smoke is going through the chimney outside. Oh my god, this is really good. Yeah. Oh guys, they're putting a big vessel. I think this is for idli.
All the batters are ready.
Oh, this is for the uttapam, guys. This is for dosa with the chopped onions and all those things. For chutney, right?
Grounded chutney.
Guys, we have the batter ready for making dosa.
I think they're all.
Oh my god, guys, uttapam is here. This is not uttapam, no. Oh, what is uttapam then? Oh guys, look at it, it's crispy. Oh my god, she's putting oil around it. And what I liked is the tawa that she's using. It is also having that heaviness. Oh, this is so colorful. Oh guys, now our dosa is perfectly roasted. Now she with that tawa, she's
Golden
like,
brown.
yeah. Now we are ready to taste it. Oh god. Guys, our uttapam is ready. Oh my.
Onion dosa.
Guys, nice red chutney and coconut chutney is
Two
there.
chutneys.
Oh.
The best.
Okay, guys, we had a really nice breakfast, dosa, bonda, and having coffee now.
Oh my god, the tea is so delicious, guys. I'm finally happy. Tea is so
We had a very nice breakfast and a nice view, guys.
Yeah, and a tea and a coffee for compensating.
And
the
got to
breakfast.
meet a lot of people here
And
in
guys,
this
there
village.
is a swing here. I just went there. We just repaired our Fortuner. I think we filled the air.
Air.
I'm not sure. There is a very beautiful swing. It's a mechanic swing.
I
will
saw
show
that.
you. Yeah, that's so nice.
Amma peru? Peru? Ravanamma. Guys, she looks like our Dhanadamai.
I think everyone know in South
Yeah.
India who is she. అచ్చు ఈవిడలో ఉన్నారు మీరు చాలా ఫేమస్ ఈవిడ అచ్చు అలానే ఉన్నారు.
Auntie invited us to her home. This is her village. Over here, it's a beautiful village, guys. There is this banyan tree over here.
Proper village. I like those hens. So
There is-
colorful. Their chickens.
Yeah,
Oh
there's
my
a
God.
lot of hens and cattle.
Okay, this is the kitchen, guys.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Guys, this is their kitchen. And you can see the
Yeah. freshly burned utensils here. They kept
Really?
yeah, look at this, how they kept it here and how they kept all the things that they need for cooking, basic things.
The
How
pan,
they-
everything is here,
pan,
guys.
everything. So good. And they have these wires kept.
These are electric something, right?
Yeah, for this bulb, I think this is.
Okay, this is the
meter.
solar, I guess.
Yeah, so good. Look at this setup, how they made it.
Guys, look at the
So good.
roof. It is properly built. Can you ask them if they built it
Okay, okay.
themselves?
Okay, guys, they build it themselves with the palm leaves and stuff. Me too. Yeah. Okay, guys, just throw like this.
Guys,
So
this is so
good.
good. There is a mother and daughters and sons having it. Have it, guys.
Going on them.
Oh, this is the king over here. I think he rules the whole place. Ah. it's a fight. It's a fight here, na?
These are so small.
Guys, there is few hens here. Anna, idu kottugori. Kottugori, yeah.
Fighter, what? Chicken, generally for fighting, if they are separately growing them, they will feed them with lot of cashews, lot
Uh-huh.
of protein food and all. But these are generally grown, but if we want to grow them like that, we can grow them. So according to our training and according to the food that we give,
Guys,
they
look
grow
at their legs. It is really
strong.
strong and tall.
Yeah.
I like the, that white and black mix. It's the bigger one of
This
this.
is so colorful, like look at its feathers. Just like
Why is it
peacock
kept
feathers.
separate? Why is it kept separate from the...
వీటిని separate గా ఎందుకు పెట్టారండి అంటే
అందరికి పెంచుతాం పెద్దవి అవుతాయి చిన్నవి పెద్దవి
okay. They are growing these chickens for the fighting, guys. Like
Uh-huh.
every once in a year we'll have this for festivals and all.
Okay.
Chicken fight and all. So they are growing them for that. They will sell them to people who want them.
Okay.
So that is why they are growing them separately.
రేటు 8,000 9,000 అమ్ముతాయి
ఒక్కొక్కటి 8,000
ఒక్కొక్కటి 9,000 అమ్ముతాయి
Okay, guys, so these which they are growing separately, they will cost around 8,000 to 9,000 if they are selling once they are grown.
Uh-huh.
And these ones, these will cost some 2,000 to 3,000.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the fighting cock.
Okay, that is very costly, guys.
Yeah.
In Kerala also, they will in Tamil Nadu and all those areas.
Uh-huh.
This is very famous. This fighter.
The feed for the hens here.
Yeah, if it grows,
Oh my god. ఎన్ని ఉంటారండి? Oh,
Guys, this is the sitting area. She's showing us her home.
so nice. This is
Who's that? It's okay, it's okay. Her daughter is sleeping there.
one more kitchen we have. This is also kitchen. We have dried fish here. They have kept it in a
it's
separate
common, I think,
container.
here.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a small kitchen setup. And this is puja room, huh? No, this is where all the stocks are kept. This is a storeroom.
Okay, they also have all these copper utensils and all. They use it
Bro,
for
they
their
have a
special
nice setup
occasions.
here. I liked it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, the one that I told, rice soaked in
Oh
water
my
and then
God.
they will have it in the morning.
Okay.
So that is what everyone does it here. So night food that is left over, they keep it in rice,
Uh-huh.
water, and then morning they will have it probiotic.
Guys,
They
probiotic
are
food.
explaining like how that thing. I didn't get it.
Uh-huh.
This today's food.
So guys, night food they soak it in water, and early morning they will have it completely energy. They will get lot of protein, probiotic food. it is.
Yeah,
And
very
people who
healthy. I
want-
think that's
yeah.
why they're able to
Don't
do
need any
all
time.
this
And
food.
they
No
will add a little
exercise.
bit of curd and they'll have it, very delicious, very good.
Ah,
Very good.
guys, in Kerala we have it as Parankani. She's still sleeping. We thought we'll meet her, but yeah. Guys, he is taking us to his cattle field
Oh my God.
where the shed and everything is there. There is big oxes. I think he is, feeding them to sell it in the market and also milk. They are doing a lot of business here. Amazing, guys.
ఇంకా ముందు నుంచి
generations నుంచి ఇలా చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు.
What?
Okay guys, so feeding the hens and all this, making cows and all is there from lot of generations. From their grandfather, great grandfather, everyone is doing like this.
Okay.
It's not new for them, they didn't start it new or something.
Uh-huh.
It came from their family. That's
Okay.
what he's saying.
What is his name?
మీ పేరు
నా పేరు జమీలు
Jamil. His name is Jamilu, guys.
Jamilu.
Yeah.
So how many cows, oxes you have? What are the varieties?
ఎన్ని ఆవులు, ఎన్ని They have 3 cows and
బర్రెలు 3.
okay.
Horse. Bro, horse is also there.
No, that's a cow. Okay, guys, they have 3 cows and 3 buffaloes and 2 small, baby buffaloes. I don't know how to call them. Yeah.
Is it
Yeah.
Guys, these
This
are
has
so
so
beautiful eyes, no? It's really healthy. Guys, somebody open the tap over there. Guys, there is baby cows here. Anna, idu edu variety? Idu Nadan? Enna per enna? Just Ongolu. Ongolu Giri.
Oh, guys.
I want to
This is Ongolu Giri cows.
nicely posing, guys. I want to pose.
Pose with them. Guys, they're really friendly.
Shake hand. Bro,
Nice to
one
meet you
beautiful
guys.
view
You can get it here. Din age any
ఏజా 8 నెలలు.
8 months, guys. So
8
these
months.
are 8 months old cows.
So small and
Ongolugiri.
Male,
Idi
female.
ammaya abbaya.
అమ్మాయి
This is a female, guys.
Both.
Rendu.
అది దాంది
Amma?
అమ్మ.
Okay.
Adi abbaya amma.
ఈయన అమ్మ.
Okay, okay.
This is so cute. It's
Okay,
friendly
okay.
with me.
Okay, guys. So his mom is her and
Okay.
her mom is her.
ఎద్దు అది
Males.
Okay, okay.
Oh, guys.
Here we have the father, guys.
అలా కానీ వీడియో అక్కడ బాక్స్ పెట్టారు బాక్స్
Guys, these are the male.
Injection alante evana chestara.
Injection.
Okay.
Eda.
They'll also do the injection,
Injection
guys.
things.
So we also have the bull, but sometimes they'll also go for injection.
Anna, idu same variety. Giri.
ఒంగోలు
Ongolu Giri.
ఒంగోలు గిరి కాదు ఒంగోలు
Only
Ongole.
Ongole.
Sorry.
Not giving.
అది ఒక్కటే ఒంగోలు గిరి.
Guys, there is around 5. This is.
ఏది ఎక్కువ కాస్ట్లీ రేర్ అంటారు ఈ ఆవుల్లో?
పంది మెడ్లు అయ్యి.
పందు మెడ్లు.
Pandamidlu is.
మన
It's a
దున్నుకుంటా
breed.
వ్యవసాయం
Okay, okay. They are used for agriculture, guys. So these are that category
Males
of
are
cows.
used for male.
Okay, okay.
Guys, males are used for plowing the land.
ఈ రెండు
Anna, idu market lo evlo?
So if they are going to sell these cows in market, it will cost 60 to 70 lakhs.
Oh,
Okay,
what?
60 to 70,000.
Thousand.
I'm sorry. Okay, 70,000 almost, guys. So that's too expensive.
Who is his favorite?
మీకు నచ్చిన ఆవు ఈ అన్నిటిలో మీ ఫేవరెట్ ఆవు?
ఆ రెండు.
Okay,
Oh, the
those two
mothers.
females are his favorite, guys.
Okay. He's
Okay,
saying.
so that as they are giving lot of milk and giving lot
Kids.
of children, his favorite are those 2 female cows.
Goats also here. Anna, idu variety? This is actually having a height, guys. Look at their legs and the patches on their side. It's having a very big horn. It's almost like,
Look at it, this horn so small. And
Yes,
these are
guys, this
too
is
long.
having a longer face and this is having a smaller face,
Oh my God.
right?
These are proper goats.
Guys, there is a small hut here. You can see they take rest. They look after the cows from here.
This feed for the cows and all. They go forward in the crops and all. They collect it from there and they come
Okay.
here and they give their food here. All those
Okay.
things.
Guys, such a beautiful place. Amazing.
So nice. I feel like staying here like for 2-3 days peacefully.
Guys, they are taking milk from the cow and also the calf is having her
దూరం అలా
share.
దగ్గర దూరంగా ఉండు
Gorangu means?
అలాగుండు అలాగుండు.
Etre liter, Anna? Etre liter milk? Guys, this is how the milking is done. The cow is looking at me, mother. Oh, guys, they tied its leg. It'll hit. It is really angry. He is saying it will hit me, kick me.
నాకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు.
Okay, guys, it's time for us to go. Okay, Anna. Paakalam, bye. Bye. Akka, bye. Zoe is waiting for me. They were milking the cow. Oh. Yeah. Okay. I actually, you know, I was not able to understand what they were saying during that. Yeah.
Guys, look at that solar panels used in the fields for motor and stuff. That's really amazing. We can see technology, how they are utilizing for agriculture and stuff. Oh my god, yes.
Today we started, everyone is super excited to go to Aragon. Lit cry today morning, guys.
She has class, but we don't have class.
We are enjoying.
Yes.
Factory. Guys, this is a brick factory. Guys, they will, you know, fire this at night and they'll close it and they'll go, guys. Yeah, there is 2-3 heaps and also here we can find 2 more. So we can see a lot of such brick heaps here. And along with there is buffalo style.
Here I saw is buffaloes. Wherever we go, there are buffaloes.
Actually, buffaloes, actually they are really good guys. Like they give us, you know, a lot of milk.
Yeah,
and
very
lot
good.
of people are dependent on them. Lot of occupation.
Their
living out
occupation,
of
their
them.
prime
So,
occupation.
I'm not surprised when I saw these many buffaloes here because you know a lot of what do you call them? Shepherds. I don't know it's shepherds or someone. Like they are completely dependent. People who have agricultural lands, almost all of them have buffaloes and cows.
Guys, we stopped here to get mask sanitizers and things, and there is a very lovely hello. Very cute. He is waving his tail. He's so friendly. Hi, 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 hi. Guys, here there is no mask. Guys, we got water bottle.
Yeah.
Do we need? We need one more.
One more. No, this dog is following us and the shopkeeper is like, whose dog is this? And we suddenly saw actually it's following us.
Bro, you following us? Can you buy some biscuit?
What's the name?
Yeah. Yeah.
We can have more.
Yeah. You can leave that packet here. He will have it. Very nice town. A very small area here. There is ox cart and all. They're selling something there. See, there is, I think they're dumping the sand which is for construction work there. There is construction happening and they bought the sand. Yes, guys, really small place and it looks really empty. Guys, look at this pond over here. Wow, this is a big water reservoir. I saw a net over there. I think they're fishing also. They put some trap there. Guys, this is the fishing pond here. Wow, guys, this is right next to the road. Look at the road, guys.
Here she is flying in the air, guys.
Yeah.
She don't want to sit in
This
the
is
car.
why we are reaching to every place and we can't just be in the car and enjoy.
Yeah.
That's why so many people are saying that this is the first time they're seeing girls group.
Really?
Yeah.
Students?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Many people told, right? There are a lot of people told.
Huh?
That the previous shop guys were also saying that they're all like quite surprised that we're doing this, which is a very nice thing.
First
They
time.
didn't see this kind of people.
Guys, a lot of people are saying the first time they're seeing a group of students exploring like this. So guys, we have decided one thing.
Yes.
That is we are extending our days. Yeah.
Oh my god, that is the disclaimer that
Yeah, guys, we planned for only like 5 to 6 days, but right now we are extended to 10 to 15 days maybe, guys. We are going to extend it.
Maybe we'll go more than that. No idea like
Yeah.
how we are
since
going.
we don't have college also, we are like, okay, how much ever
Oh
we
guys, talking
we'll
about
do it.
college, morning lit cried.
She's in the class right now, can't speak still.
Yeah, she cried because all of us are free and enjoying. She is attending class.
And she has work also.
Litte, bro. It's okay.
Okay, bro, it's okay. Stay strong.
We are giving her moral
We are
support.
always having classes and holidays. We are always in between these things, so always enjoy the moment. Whatever
guys.
it is.
Yes.
Don't
Yes,
get
guys, we are
upset,
all helping her to, you know, finish. Trix was helping her before to
Yeah.
finish the work.
Before me helping her work transfer to something else. So.
Yeah, it's little.
Let's
difficult.
try and explore more. Let's give her
audiences more visual pleasing. Whatever they wanna enjoy, and let's make the title real. India's first vlogging student girls group. Let's try. We'll try our best, guys. We're still trying, guys. Starting the our vlog. We are still beginners, but we'll try our best and we'll explore everything as much as we can.
Okay, guys.
Our car is parked there, guys.
It's a market, like local market, so they are selling flowers and everything. There are also fruits here.
And she's making the...
Yeah, like how well she's doing the... Me parent
Guys, he's arranging the grapes here. It's morning. Everyone is prepping their places. There is a weird variety of pineapple. Nef, is this pineapple? It looks small and it's red.
This is like a flower, like
Yeah.
a
Can you
rose
ask them?
flower. One pineapple is 20 rupees.
Okay.
Second inch of centimeter. They get these pineapples from Aruku.
Araku Valley.
Yeah,
Okay.
so these are grown at Aruku Valley.
Okay,
and
it
they
looks
bring
really
over.
different. Like this is not like a normal. They are also well maintaining their town, guys. Guys, we're checking for medical shops here for buying masks, surgical masks and sanitizers. So I think Drix found it.
Got them. Oh my god, a lot of bangles.
Yeah.
Want some?
Guys, there's a lot of bangles here.
Shit. Look at these colorful bangles. Man. Every day we can, wear different colors of bangles matching to our dress and saree.
Guys, we have a
Shit.
whole collection of bangles. Amazing.
So nice.
So guys, we bought the mask, so we're going back. And we are still need to get sanitizers. Guys, look at that. It's having a nice mask here.
Oh my god, these are used for
Drishti.
Drishti.
Okay.
So for not getting that, they use that. Oh my
Okay.
god, the auto is full of Drishti, guys. The auto won't get any Drishti.
Guys, this is a whole marketplace here. There is ox coming there, ox carts.
Oh my god.
Bullock carts. Bullock
Yeah,
carts.
bullock carts. Actually, guys, this is very much near to Araku, which is our destination. So they are getting a lot of things imported from there. So, and if you can see the fruits, even the pineapple are completely different, and the taste is also more sweeter. They are saying. So now,
Guys, these are the bullock carts here. I
My
see
God.
they use a lot of bullock carts,
Yeah.
tractors and bullock carts here.
this is like a array, like two going behind them.
Yeah, guys, there is some smoke coming from that area. I think they are burning the weeds and starting the new cultivation. Huh? What is that?
It can be like that. So the plowing will be after that.
Uh-huh.
The plant will.
The agricultural researcher.
Agricultural researcher.
Actually, it's not. I think it's something else is happening.
What is that? Guys, there is smoke coming from that area.
man, I
I think
Okay,
it's
that's
a UFO crash, guys. I'm pretty
Oh
sure.
my lord.
Almost there, see the whole Andhra Pradesh. They are in
Guys, we are exploring a lot of places and people there are
many places and
Very,
they all
very-
are very much welcome.
very much welcoming, guys. They were saying this that they have never seen such a group of young students coming there and taking such a vlog.
Yeah, like what
So I think it is India's first
first
group of students coming and exploring such village areas. I won't say
Raw
this is
lives,
like this
reeling it
genre.
real,
Yeah,
yeah,
I think in particularly this type of vlog, guys.
I
This
think-
is first in India. What do you
Even
think?
people who are seeing us, they are so welcoming, and they're also saying there is no, like, we haven't seen such channel before who take live raw lives of villages, people reeling it real. That's
And we went to every villages, like most of the villages we covered here in our.
simply saying things like that.
Oh yeah. Keep on.
We need to cover more villages.
Yeah.
We need to know about people, understand people.
Tourist places that just explore because they want to explore. But this is almost like being part of their life, seeing what they're doing. Exactly like what
actual
Nev said.
exploration.
Yeah, we just being true to our tagline, reeling it raw.
What do you say?
I'm just thinking of that
Amrita Randavari. That is
That was actually
very shocking. Like seeing someone like very similar to her.
exactly like
You remember only that one thing?
Actually, when everyone is saying I didn't believe because I haven't seen her before, and when I saw the image and when it's like ditto same. I'm like, how did it happen?
In Andhra, she
No,
won't
no,
come.
no, I haven't seen her.
We don't know.
I think they don't know. We
I
only
think
know
she's also
this.
got that bright smile. First of all, she,
Yeah,
she doesn't know
she was
what language
smiling.
we are talking, so she's just like smiling like exactly like that. She's just standing.
Correct.
This is perfect.
Okay, guys, like this, we're gonna see a lot more surprises.
and lot more people.
Yeah,
And we are
explore a
going
lot
and going and going. There is
We
no
don't know
end.
where we are
Very
going.
ended.
Yes, guys, we reached the forest area. We don't know where we are going. The trip is long as before, guys. So right now everyone is, giving us such reviews. We planned of extending the trip to how many days, guys? Maybe 10 to 15 days, guys. Yeah, guys, half a month we are planning this trip, guys. Guys, keep watching because we have a lot more to show it to you guys. We won't miss anything on the way. There is a beautiful things you guys have to know about Andhra Pradesh.
And not yesterday's one. This is the teak forest, guys. This is the teak.
Guys, this is God's vomiting. God's vomited and became forest.
What?
It's just a way.
What is the real word?
This is gobsmacking.
Guys, they were saying I use the word beautiful a lot and Zoe has given me few words to use. What is all that?
Use mesmerizing, use splendid, use I don't know.
And Rick said something. What is?
Gobsmacking.
And next it's
I
God
thought it's
vomiting.
God's vomiting, guys, and then it became forest.
Never find it really cool. God's vomiting, wow, and it created into a forest.
Just now I
That
showed
is
them
so
what is
precious.
teak.
Guys, we stopped in another beautiful place here. Look at those flowers.
See, it has 2 ears, eyes, and a mouth.
Wow.
It looks like that.
Looks like that, man. It's like a orchid kind of
It's
a
looking
feel.
at us like.
Guys, there is a small hut here. I think this is where all they come and like join for lunch and have their lunch over here. Is it a cucumber? What is it?
I think it's a cucumber. We need
Yeah.
you for consultation.
Confirmation, we go
We'll
for
figure
you.
out this time without
Guys, it's full of, vegetable cultivations here. Guys, this is all brinjal plants.
Brinjal, you can see the flowers.
Guys, look at that. Small brinjals.
Oh my god, look at this. There are few bees here.
Yeah, guys, you can
of
see a
bees
lot
are
of
there.
bees because it's flowering at the same time. And this is their time to pollination. Then only we'll get brinjal.
Look at this beautiful thing here.
Guys,
Shit, I like plants. I like vegetable plants.
amazing.
Actually, I tried growing few plants in our terrace last time when I came, and few.
It worked.
Yeah, it worked, but 2-3 brinjals we got. What can we do with them?
Guys,
But
on this
later,
side there is
plant was
sugar
dried.
cane. Wow. Actually want to
It looks
see
like
the
a tall
sugar.
grass. You can
Guys, look at that. This is the sugarcane stem. Guys, this is not fully grown, but once it is grown, it will be like, very brown color. The stem will be so thick with full juicy. I want to have a sugarcane juice now. Guys, our Fortuner is right there next to the hut. Trix is coming. Where is Nev going?
Ladies finger plantation.
Lady's finger.
Yeah, I think these are growing or these are already grown. Like they're removing
Yeah,
them.
guys,
Already
look at
dried up
that.
ladies finger.
It's dried. I think they already, took their harvest
The harvest is done.
and it's dried lady's finger.
Yeah, I think they are going to replant.
Uh-huh.
Few are still there. See, I can.
I
see.
think these can be used for the next, for the seeds.
Yeah.
I think that's why they kept
Okay,
it.
okay. So they will collect the seeds from this
Yeah.
and go for the next plantation. Great.
Guys, purple color, small brinjals.
Cute.
They're so cute. Look at that. It's so farm fresh. This is organic.
Fry it at once and have it.
Yeah, guys, there is a lot over here. Over there, you can see purple dots.
I just saw vegetables. So nice.
Yes, guys, look at this. I think they have different varieties of.
Actually, those small cute brinjals are so nice, man.
we can just fry it at once and have
Shit,
it like
so nice. Oh my god.
You can see the
vegetables are so organic, guys. Generally,
Yeah.
people will add lot of fertilizers and lot of things for making them big.
We don't know if they are actually adding fertilizer. We didn't see it.
For the insecticides and all will be added, but there is nothing added for the
Plants.
plants to become more hybrid.
Okay, guys, we are going back to Fortuner. It's super slippery in these places. Be careful. Have a stick or something.
of the Fortuner without
Tied all the ropes like this.
Huh? What is that for?
This is for fencing the crops.
Uh-huh.
Tied them here and they kept them back.
Uh-huh.
Ladies fingers, fresh wala.
Why is it kept here?
I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. Should we take it? No.
No, no.
They might come back for it.
2-3 ladies' finger. We will use them for scratching. Bro,
Ah.
A big bee. I just thought that sound.
shit.
Drix fell down. It's okay. Did it hurt?
No, my knee
Guys, everyone fell down. Never's left.
I'm not going to fail today. I'm very much stable and I'm very much concentrated on my. Look at this structure.
What is that? It's heart shape.
Yeah.
Oh, it's. Guys,
Can I
that's.
just blast it?
Yeah. Ew, it's
you spoiled
pacified.
Shit.
Can you
I thought
open
we'll
it?
get some sound from it.
This is like a lantern.
Yeah,
So
lantern
nice.
is a good example.
I want to open it. Can you open it?
What's
It's some seed is inside it.
Oh my god.
Bro, that's the bulb of the lantern. You should light it at
This is
night.
so nice. Okay.
Come on.
Let's get back.
I don't want to go back.
Guys, these are the bamboo trees I'm talking about. Look,
Oh,
the
guys, there's a lot of bamboo trees on the side of the road.
stretch of
Whole
bamboo
stretch.
trees.
Yeah, I actually, in the distance, I was not able to figure it out. It's
Uh,
bamboo, but yes, guys, we are getting inside.